Hola, I'm Henry from Shenzhen GSL Energy. Now I'm in the Energy Efficiency in the Argentina Solar Show. And in this site, we are in the booth 32 to 33. And now I want to do some different for this video. We have spent almost 1 year to attend 32 solar shows around this year. And now I want to share you something about how to make good use of this solar show. Firstly, because we sell battery, right? And our other exhibitors in here, they also can be our potential customers. And then we can directly go to their exhibition sites to deep talk about the business. And then the connection is begin. And secondly, we sell batteries, and the inverter sellers and the solar panel sellers will be our potential partners, right? And thirdly, if we want to start a new business, so for the customs clearance and any policy we need to know, just come to our booth. We can have a deep talk about this information. Thank you for listening. GSL Energy class begin. Thank you.